Hello friends, today we will discuss about antihypertensive drug. In case of antihypertensive drug, we will discuss first AT1 angiotensin receptor 1 inhibitors. So before discussion of drug, we will discuss about renin angiotensin system. So renin in angiotensin system, angiotensin secrete from juxtaglomerular cells of kidney when due to loss of sodium ion or low blood flow or renal ischemic condition or low molecular density of sodium, low BP stimulate secretion of angiotensin from juxtaglomerular cells of kidney. Angiotensin are 30 peptide 30 peptide. One end has amino side and other end acidic side. That angiotensin act by renin hormone secrete from kidney. That renin convert angiotensin to angiotensin first. Angiotensin first in angiotensin convert to angiotensin first. Three aminopeptide valine, isoleucine, and histidine from carboxylic acid side reduces and convert into angiotensin first, that is decapeptide. After that angiotensin converting enzyme convert angiotensin second, also further two amino group, that is phenyl and phenylalanine and histidine delete, reduce from carboxylic acid side, then convert angiotensin second. After that, when process is normal, prolyl endopeptidase convert angiotensin second to angiotensin third, that is inactive peptide excrete out from fecal matter. But after conversion of angiotensin angiotensin second is responsible that is ectopeptide responsible for blood pressure. The angiotensin second act in two way on human body. First, control or regulate secretion of aldosterone secretion. When aldosterone secretion increases in blood, that is responsible for sodium and fluid retention in blood that increase blood volume, hence increase cardiac output, hence increase directly blood pressure. क्योंकि प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हम लोग देखे थे ब्लड प्रेशर इक्वल टू कार्डियक आउटपुट एंड पेरिफेरल वैस्कुलर रेजिस्टेंस. आल्सो causes vasoconstriction in artery. That artery increase peripheral vascular resistance. When peripheral vascular resistance increases, also BP increases. तो in renin angiotensin system, how to control blood pressure or increase or decrease BP. तो AT1 angiotensin receptor 1 inhibitor, that is losartan, directly act on renin hormone to stop the conversion of angiotensin to angiotensin first. That process stop in this stage and further not form to angiotensin second and control the blood pressure or hypertension. Angiotensin receptor 1 antagonist will act on AT1 receptor, that is losartan, and causes vasoconstriction, hence necessary to block angiotensin second to AT1 receptor occurs. Vasodilation, reduced blood pressure. Losartan will not increase bradykinin level, therefore it will induce cough to the patient. ADR, cough type of symptoms: dysgeusia, loss of taste buds, anorexia, loss of appetite, for example decreased body weight and weakness. Next category drugs are drug acting on renin angiotensin system or angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor, that is captopril. We will discuss in previous renin angiotensin system. The angiotensin alpha 2 globulin stimulate, then renin from kidney convert angiotensin first, then angiotensin converting enzyme angiotensin second, that is responsible for BP. तो ACE inhibitor prevent the conversion of angiotensin first to angiotensin second, then prevent formation of angiotensin second, decrease cardiac output of sympathetic nervous system, vasodilation of smooth muscles, decrease aldosterone secretion, hence reduce retention of sodium and water in blood arteries, increase bradycardia, vasoconstriction, decrease vasoconstriction, increase vasodilation. तो all functions are also discussed in renin-angiotensin system. तो how to control angiotensin second are all system, then reduce hypertension or BP. ADR में ड्राई कफ, रैशेस, फीवर, अल्ट्रेशन इन टेस्ट, हाइपोटेंशन क्योंकि हर जगह रिलैक्सेशन काज कर रहा है, तो अगर डोज हैवी हो जाएगी या ज़्यादा टाइम तक कंट्रोल कर देगा, कन्वर्जन ऑफ एंजियोटेंसिन सेकेंड को ब्रेक कर देगा, तो हाइपोटेंशन कहते हैं. मोस्ट इफेक्टिव हाइपोटेंशन विथ इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ डायूरेटिक्स. नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी डायूरेटिक्स. In case of diuretic, for example, thiazide act in two way. First, peripheral resistance decreases and then decrease sodium and water retention. कैसे ये डायूरेटिक प्रमोट करेगा प्रोसेस ऑफ डायूरेसिस? तो increase outside from sodium and water from the body, then blood volume decreases, then peripheral resistance decreases, finally decrease ब्लड प्रेशर क्योंकि कार्डियक आउटपुट कम होगा. फिर डिक्रीज सोडियम एंड वाटर रिटेंशन, आल्सो ब्लड वॉल्यूम डिक्रीजेज, डिक्रीज कार्डियक आउटपुट, डिक्रीज ब्लड प्रेशर. यूज में एनएडिक्वेट किडनी फंक्शंस के केस में एडीआर हाइपोकैलेमिया एंड हाइपर यूरिसीमिया. यूरिन का कंटेंट ज़्यादा हो जाएगा और यूरिन में कैल्शियम का लेवल कम हो जाएगा. हाइपर ग्लाइसीमिया, मेनेसेमिया, लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकुलर हाइपरट्रॉफी आर क्रोनिक हार्ट फेल्योर. नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी बीटा एड्रेनर्जिक ड्रग, फॉर एग्जांपल एटिनोलाल. बीटा एड्रेनर्जिक ड्रग डिक्रीज रेनिन. व्हेन रेनिन डिक्रीजेस तो कन्वर्जन ऑफ एंजियोटेंसिन फर्स्ट टू सेकेंड prevented, decrease peripheral resistance, decrease blood volume. When also angiotensin second content come low, then decrease aldosterone, decrease sodium and water retention, decrease blood volume, decrease blood pressure. In second way, activation of beta adrenergic receptor in heart, decrease cardiac output, decrease blood pressure. Kinetics में oral most active form, first pass metabolism through liver, ADR bradycardia and CNS. Side effects such as fatigue, lethargy, insomnia and hallucination. Also produce hypotension, also decrease libido and causes impotent. Alteration in several lipids. Drug withdrawal may also causes rebound hypertension. So all about information of antihypertensive drug. If you want to ask any question, you can ask ramesh.bfarm@gmail.com.